Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Mohammed Yunus, the student nurse from Amref International University. In here, I talk about anatomy and physiology. If you're a student nurse and you feel like your anatomy has a little problem, you don't have to stress. This is the right place for you. All you have to do is just make sure subscribe and watch my videos and you'll be good to go. So today I'm going to talk about the heart, and to be more specifically the layers of the heart. That's the innermost layer, the middle layer, and the outermost layer. These layers have names. From the inner layer, we have the endocardium, that's the inner layer. The middle layer, we have the myocardium, the middle layer, and the outer layer, that's the epicardium. So we are going to start with the epicardium as we move towards the inside. The epicardium, we find that it contains the fats. These fats protect the heart from friction and trauma. They act as shock absorbers. We also find that the coronary blood vessels, these are the blood vessels that bring oxygenated blood towards the heart. They are located in the epicardium. That's where we find the coronary blood vessels. Then let's take into the middle layer of the heart. That's the myocardium, and it's just the name myo. Myo means muscles, so it's the muscle layer of the heart. They contain a special muscle structure known as the cardiomyocytes. These are the muscle layers of the heart, and we find that this muscle layer help with the rhythmic contraction of the heart, and the rhythmic contraction of the heart makes the heart to be in need of large amount of oxygenated blood, and also blood rich in nutrients, so that to help this muscle layer of the heart perform its function to the best. And we also have the innermost layer, that's the endocardium. So we find that between the endocardium and the myocardium, we have it's a layer, like there's a layer between the endocardium and the myocardium called subendothelial layer. This layer, it's kind of like a barrier. It's found between these two layers, the innermost layer and the middle layer. So apart from subendothelial tissue, we also find that under the endocardium, we find that there are Purkinje fibers. These fibers help in the transmission of nerve impulse from the SA node to the AV node. So some of the functions of this innermost layer of the heart, we find that they help cover the heart valves. For example, the tricuspid valve, the bicuspid valves. We find that these valves are covered with the endocardium. We also find that there is the blood vessels that bring blood towards the heart. We find that their inner surface are covered with the endocardium. So the heart surface, that where the blood flows, we find that it's covered with the endocardium. This endocardium also acts as a barrier between the myocardium and the blood. It prevents them from coming into contact. Those are among the functions of the endocardium. So that's all I had for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to like my video. So let's meet in my next video that I'll be uploading tomorrow. Thank you for watching.